Welcome, it's Anthony DIY, and today we're going to be cleaning our gutters.
With trees like this throughout our entire neighborhood, gutter cleaning is a mandatory process for us a couple times a year. So stick around and we're going to show you our favorite tips and tricks to get the job done as best as possible. Now, ladders are obviously a must with our house because it's 2 stories. So I built this rack in our garage to store our largest extension ladder to keep it off the floor and out of the way. In addition to the tip of getting the ladders up and out of the way to clear floor and wall space, this stabilizer bar is an absolute game changer. Not only does it increase your safety, it makes doing this job much easier. It pulls you away from the house a bit to give you a better angle, but it also gives you better points of contact on the house, which you'll see here. Even with that stabilizer, I always have another adult at the bottom of the ladder to give it even more stability, so it's as safe as possible. When it comes to the second story, I am not a fan of going directly on the roof, so I go station to station, and with this stabilizer bar, it makes it a lot easier. Also gets you around the windows and around the vents like we have in the front. Now, when it comes to the garage, this is 1 story, so I just lean the extension ladder up against the gutters, and as you can see, these are packed. The silver maples drop the helicopters, and then we have seeds from our honey locust, so these things get packed quite a bit, a couple times a year. I also like to blow off anything on the roof because on the 1-story level, I'll go on the roof. Now, there's debris everywhere because in fairness, when I'm up that high on a ladder, I try my best to get it in the compost bin, but it's a lot safer just to get it on the ground and then clean up after. My last tip before the Remus Easter egg is be careful how you carry your ladder so your shoulder doesn't look like this. For more videos with helpful tips like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. If you want a lawn like this, be sure to start with our lawn care series here or check out this video next. Take care, all our best.